Okay, it's that time of the year when we talk about spirits, but on this show we don't mean the smoky kind, we mean the tasty kind. Warm up those chilly evenings, and with ideas from Bear Creek Distillery's Jay Johnson and mixologist Megan Heenan. Hi guys.
Hi.
All right, Jay, I just disclosed that Bear Creek is one of my favorite whiskeys out there.
Thank you.
So can you tell me about your products and what you can do to spice them up for the holiday season?
Sure. So today we brought 3 cocktails that we thought would fit with a fall theme. We have our spiced rum. That's a naturally infused spiced rum. We don't use any syrup or extract. It's vanilla bean, orange peel, black peppercorn, ginger, allspice, some nutmeg, and some cinnamon. So you have a lot of very deep fall flavors in there. It's not a sweet rum. We like to say it's pumpkin pie in a glass.
Oh, I like that.
So our second spirit is our 100% wheat whiskey. We source local wheat for that product. What's interesting about that product is it's 100% wheat. We don't add any malted barley or any corn. So it's a bit of a unique spirit, a very introductory whiskey. It's light on the palate. So when people say I'm not really a whiskey drinker, that's where I tend to direct them. And then our flagship is our 3-grain straight bourbon. So that is a 4-year-old product, which we're very proud of. We are a grain to glass distillery, so we've always made our own spirits. And then we mature in our facility on South Tacoma Street. That is 75% corn, 15% rye, and 10% malted barley.
Wow. So what got you interested in creating all these spirits?
Well, this Bear Creek Distillery was born out of a childhood friendship. My business partners and I all went to Bear Creek High School in Lakewood. So we were always good at drinking, so we thought that...
In high school? Or wait.
Well, or maybe earlier. But we took that love and our friendship and built this brand starting in 2012. So we've been very community and locally focused and really built our brand grassroots.
All right, Megan, you're going to whip up some fall favorites, so let's get to it. What are you going to do here?
So first I'm going to make a drink that we call the Right Besider. So I've got some mint leaves torn up in here. Ooh. We're going to add our straight bourbon, some lemon juice, a little bit of honey syrup, and apple cider. Easy peasy. We're just going to give this a little shake.
And what is this one called?
This is called the Right Besider.
Right Besider.
You know, gotta love a pun.
It smells amazing.
So,
I
there
like
we
that.
go, right there.
And then
get a little mint garnish, slap it so you get the oils coming out. And then just a little bit of aromatic bitters on top. So that's our Right Besider.
That looks amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, second one, what are you going to do?
Second one, we've got the spiced Ice Chives using our spiced rum. And 2 ounces of that. Some chai. We use Oregon chai, so it's a little bit sweeter, you know, but has that good spice to it. And then some half and half. Again, just give this guy a little shake.
So this actually has chai in it?
Yeah, so it has the spice from the spiced rum as well as the chai.
Can I just have a little? I just want to.
Right?
Oh yeah,
Doesn't
it smells so good.
Your morning chai, but with a little kick to
Kicked up
it.
Starbucks.
Yeah, that's how I like my mornings.
And then we like to garnish it with just a little bit of fresh nutmeg on there. Bring everything out. So that's our spiced iced chai.
Nice.
Last but not least, we're going to make a hot toddy.
Oh.
You know, super simple. Again, just honey syrup, some fresh lemon juice.
Nice.
This is going to be our wheat whiskey. So nice kind of
And is it warmed?
Subtle.
Is that
yes,
the hot toddy
this is
part
the
of it?
magic part.
Oh,
it's
look.
just some hot water.
Hot water. Oh.
You know, get your kettle going.
Sweet.
Right there, and
I'm just going to grab this. I know. Oh. Okay. Oh, that's so nice. All right. So what are some of the nice pairings that you have for these drinks?
So in our tasting room, we do about 50 to 55 cocktails, depending on what's in season. And with the licensing that we have, we're not able to use anyone else's spirits. So we can't add a cordial or a liqueur or even any bitters that we don't make, because most bitters actually have alcohol in them. A lot of people don't realize that. So we use a lot of fresh juice. We use a lot of bitters that Megan makes for us. She makes all of our simple syrups as well. she's really our rock star in the tasting room.
Megan, are there any unusual flavors that you put together?
Every once in a while, yeah. One of my favorite cocktails we do in the tasting room is called the Red Panda Bear. It's got red bell pepper juice, basil. We use our rye vodka, which is a little bit different too. So not a lot of cocktails use bell peppers, but we do.
All right, bell peppers.
Yeah.
That I love all of this, but bell pepper cocktail.
know,
Why not?
right?
All right, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
These look delicious. I can't wait. After the show. All right, well, welcome all kinds of spirits into your next seasonal party and try the recipes we featured today and so much more. You want to go to acfcoloradochefs.org. Well, hey, look, did somebody drop by here?
I heard there's a
Who
hot
is
toddy
this?
around here.
Is this Tom Papa? Do you want a cocktail?
I do.
Are you going to be joining us a little bit later?
No, I'm just here to
okay,
drink
you're
this.
just here to drink.
And then I'm going
All
to
right,
leave.
well, Tom Papa may or may not be here after the break, but you want to stick around anyway.
Oh, you're good at what you do.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You
Not
too.
bad. Oh, yeah, well, thanks.